Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You must be signed into your Apple ID and have iCloud enabled. Once done, open Settings and tap your name, then iCloud. Make sure Mail is toggled on. Now start the address creation. Open Mail or iCloud settings and choose Create an iCloud email. You do this now so the system reserves the username immediately. This prevents duplicates and ties the address to your Apple ID for security and sync. You will now create the exact username. Enter a short, memorable name, avoid spaces or sensitive numbers, and check availability. If it's taken, try variations or add a number suffix. Make sure the username matches how you want to be identified across Apple services, because once created, it's fixed. Next, accept the terms and conditions. This completes the server-side registration. Once Apple confirms creation, though at iCloud, .com address is active and begins syncing to Mail, Contacts, and other iCloud services. Finish by verifying the address. Send a test email to or from the new at iCloud. .com account and check it appears in Mail and on your other devices. If Mail doesn't sync, sign out and back into iCloud or toggle Mail off then on to force a refresh. If activation fails or you see error codes, make sure your Apple ID is verified and payment info isn't blocking services. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-level troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.